Cambodian Association of America សមាគមខ្មែរនៃសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិក Marriage Enrichment Project Session 3 កម្មវិធីទ្រទ្រង់គូស្រករនិងសុភមង្គលល្អក្នុងអាពាហ៍ពិពាហ៍ ភាគទី3 In English and Cambodian ជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសនិងភាសាខ្មែរ Hello, welcome to our Marriage Enrichment Program Session 3. This session is about anger and how to manage anger in a marriage. We hope that you'll find this episode helpful and educational. The purpose of this program is to assist you in managing anger and improve your marriage relationship. នាងខ្ញុំសូមជម្រាបសួរ លោកស្រីជាទីគោរពពេលនេះនាងខ្ញុំសូមលើកយកភាគទី3របស់កម្មវិធីទ្រទ្រង់គូស្រករនិងសុភមង្គលល្អមកបកស្រាយជូនអស់លោកស្រីហើយសង្ឃឹមថាលោកស្រីនឹងបានទទួលការយល់ដឹងដ៏ល្អប្រសើរពីការគ្រប់គ្រងកំហឹងដើម្បីជួយលោកស្រីឲ្យមានសុភមង្គលល្អក្នុងគ្រួសារ What is anger? How can you manage your anger? អ្វីទៅដែលហៅថាកំហឹងតើត្រូវប្រើមធ្យោបាយយ៉ាងណាដើម្បីជួយទប់ទល់កំហឹងរបស់យើង
Why is it that every time I come in, you're reading that dang book and just sitting around? The house is a mess. The kids I don't know where the kids are. And you're just sitting reading a book like there's nothing going on.
You complain, you drink,
I
you
only
complain.
go out now and again.
Every
There's
time
no
you
food,
go out with that
no
idiot,
food.
you always come back while you're in the house.
Which idiot?
I can't do anything to please you this day. I'm so sick of you as well. I'm going out as well.
Well, get out now. Go on,
You
get
out. This is my house.
No, you
this
go.
is my house. You move out. You out. You get out. I'm staying with the kids. You go. Okay? I'm so sick of you. I'm sick of you. I'm done with you before that. Before you told me. I'm done a long time ago.
Anger is a negative emotion that happens to everyone in their life. Anger can occur when someone is not happy with something or is hurt by someone. Normally, couples are angry with each other because he or she feels hurt due to being taken advantage of, accused of doing something wrong, or criticized by his or her partner. Anger can happen from misunderstanding, jealousy, poor communication, and not listening. កំហឹងគឺជាប្រតិកម្មខាងផ្លូវចិត្តមួយដែលមនុស្សយើងតែងតែជួបប្រទះក្នុងឆាកជីវិតនៅពេលដែលមានការមិនពេញចិត្តឬក៏ទទួលការឈឺចាប់ដោយការរំលោភសិទ្ធិតិទានឬក៏ប្រការផ្សេងទៀតតាមការពិតកំហឹងច្រើនកើតឡើងដោយសារខ្វះការយោគយល់ពីគ្នាឲ្យល្អប្រសើរខ្វះភាពប៉ិនប្រសប់ក្នុងការនិយាយនិងខ្វះការស្ដាប់គ្នាទៅវិញទៅមកយ៉ាងប្រពៃ What does anger consist of? I believe everyone understands the meaning of anger. I am sure everyone has felt anger at some time in their life or has been angry at someone. Being angry or upset or having negative feelings could trigger high blood pressure, heart murmur, or palpitation. A person would feel unhappy and tense that might cause rage, overreaction, screaming, yelling, fear, shaking, jealousy, hatred, or revenge. តើកំហឹងមានសន្តានបែបណាក៏ដែរមនុស្សយើងម្នាក់សុទ្ធតែជាអ្នកធ្លាប់បញ្ចេញកំហឹងឬជាអ្នកទទួលកំហឹងពីអ្នកដទៃដែរពេលណាមានកំហឹងចង្វាក់បេះដូងយើងរត់លឿនខុសធម្មតាតានតឹងក្នុងខ្លួននិងមានអារម្មណ៍ក្តៅក្រហាយមិនសប្បាយចិត្តលក្ខណៈប្រតិកម្មនៃកំហឹងមានដូចជាការក្តាប់ដៃយ៉ាងណែនដំឡើងបំពង់កភ័យញ័រឈឺចាប់ ច្រណែនស្អប់ខ្ពើមព្រមទាំងមានអារម្មណ៍ប្រទុះសារាយសងសឹកផងដែរ
I never had kids. You want kids, and you said you would help. You don't help. Don't you want?
Don't ever say that to me. Don't you ever say that to me. No, I won't. Don't you ever say anything about not having a kid. But you're the one that wanted kids. You're the one that wanted all the kids.
You never helped me. I do everything. Everything is still not enough for you.
I said
never
just
enough.
have the one, but you wanted two.
I regret I had the kid for you.
Anger can produce killing, sickness, murder, and war. A Cambodian saying describes anger as wrongfulness, destruction, and loss, which can bring unhappiness, depression, separation, divorce, and other illnesses to one's life. Anger can destroy peace and harmony. It can also ruin a person's life physically, mentally, and emotionally. លោកស្រីកំហឹងពំបាននាំមកសេចក្តីសុខចម្រើននិងសុភមង្គលល្អសម្រាប់យើងទេនិងសម្រាប់គ្រួសារបានឡើយ ទោះបីជាកំហឹងនោះកើតឡើងដោយសារអ្នកដទៃឬហេតុការណ៍ណាមួយក៏ដោយសុភាសិតខ្មែរយើងតែងតែនិយាយថាខឹងខុសខឹងខាតខឹងខូចពីព្រោះកំហឹងអាចនាំមកនៅអំពើហិង្សាការឈឺចាប់ភាពងងឹតនិងការលែងលះគ្នាកំហឹងអាចបំផ្លាញសេចក្តីសុខសែមសាន្តទាំងផ្លូវចិត្តផ្លូវកាយទ្រព្យសម្បត្តិព្រមទាំងបំផ្លាញអនាគតល្អនិងអាចនាំឲ្យមានការបាក់បែកប្រត់ប្រាស់ប្រពន្ធកូនចៅផងដែរនៅពេលដែលកំហឹងកើតឡើងមនុស្សម្នាក់មានជាប់អារម្មណ៍មិនល្អមានការគុំគួនគ្នាព្រមទាំងយល់ឃើញថាគេឈប់ស្រឡាញ់គ្នាទៀតហើយ Each time anger happens between couples, they tend to carry a grudge, have negative thoughts and emotions toward each other. One can assume that their partner no longer loves her. A study shows that 2% of angry couples tend to harm each other intentionally. Most people are angry at each other due to misunderstanding and miscommunication. Do you know that 95% of domestic violence stem from anger of husbands toward wives? តាមការស្រាវជ្រាវមួយបានបញ្ជាក់ថាមានតែ 2% ទេដែលគេមានបំណងចង់ធ្វើឲ្យអ្នកមានការឈឺចាប់ដោយចេតនាភាគច្រើនកំហឹងកើតមានឡើងដោយសារការយល់ច្រឡំពីគ្នាតែប៉ុណ្ណោះតើអស់លោកស្រីបានជ្រាបឬទេថាអំពីហិង្សាដែលកើតឡើងពីកំហឹងមាន 95% ដែលបុរសបានប្រព្រឹត្តទៅលើស្ត្រី Anger and women. Anger can cause many negative situations. A study shows that 95% of victims are women. Anger creates over 4 million cases of domestic violence. 42% of women's suicidal cases are due to the spouse's raging behavior. Why women are still determined to live with raging and angry partner even though they know that their spouse would still beat them up every day. This is a sad situation that some women are afraid to escape or tell anyone about their situation. They do not have the courage to stand up and let go of their beating partner. These women would rather risk their lives and continue living with their partner day after day and found no way out. They tend to be codependent, insecure, and have very low self-esteem and self-worth. កំហឹងនិងស្ត្រីអំពើហិង្សាដែលកើតឡើងពីកំហឹង មាន 95% នៃជនរងគ្រោះអំពីហិង្សាក្នុងគ្រួសារគឺជាស្ត្រី មានសំណុំរឿងមួយអំពើហិង្សាដែលដល់ទៅជាង 4 លានករណីក្នុងមួយឆ្នាំ បានរាយការណ៍ពីបទស្ត្រីដែលត្រូវប្តីវាយធ្វើបាប 42% នៃការសម្លាប់ខ្លួនរបស់ស្ត្រីបានធ្វើឡើងដោយសារប្តីរបស់គេតែម្ដង តើហេតុអ្វីបានជាស្ត្រីនៅតែតស៊ូទ្រាំរស់នៅជាមួយប្តីរបស់គេតទៅទៀត ទោះបីគេដឹងថាប្តីរបស់គេនៅតែកាន់ចិត្តធ្វើបាបរូបលើគេ នេះពិតជារឿងសោកនាដកម្មខាងផ្លូវចិត្តមួយ និងក្នុងគតិធម៌របស់គេពន់ពេកណាស់ ពីព្រោះភេទស្ត្រីមានកត្តាភ័យព្រួយបារម្ភជាច្រើនដែលធ្វើឲ្យគេបង្ខំចិត្តតស៊ូរស់នៅជាមួយប្តីគេតទៅទៀត The following are some of the reasons why people stick with their violent partners. They have financial issue. They are afraid to lose their children's custody. They have no job. They might not have a place to live if they leave their partner. They are afraid of being alone. They still believe that someday their partner would change and become a better spouse. កត្តានោះគឺការពឹងពាក់នឹងខ្វះខាតខាងលុយកាក់ ការភ័យខ្លាចអស់សិទ្ធិមើលថែរក្សាកូន ការគ្មានការងារធ្វើនិងផ្ទះសម្បែងនៅ ការព្រួយបារម្ភពីភាពឯកោ ការជំនឿថាប្តីរបស់គេនឹងអាចកែលម្អខ្លួនឡើងវិញថ្ងៃណាមួយជាមិនខាន Most of the time when there is an argument, the husband tends to be the one who is angry the most, using high tone and verbally and physically abusive. The wife, who normally gets abused, tends to be more reserved and willing to work things out. Sometimes the wife's frantic and fearful behavior can make things worse. ជាទូទៅពេលណាមានកំហឹងកើតឡើងភាគច្រើនគឺប្តីឬបរិះបញ្ចេញកំហឹងទៅលើប្រពន្ធឬស្ត្រីភេទ ឯស្ត្រីភេទជាអ្នកទទួលរងគ្រោះនឹងនៅកំហឹងគ្រប់បែបយ៉ាង ពេលណាដែលសន្ទះកំហឹងកាន់តែខ្លាំង ស្ត្រីរងទទួលកាន់តែខ្លាំង ហើយការឈឺចាប់ក៏កាន់តែខ្លាំងទ្វេឡើងដែរ ប៉ុន្តែរឿងដែលគួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍នោះគឺ អ្នកបញ្ចេញកំហឹងច្រើនមិនបានគិតពីផលវិបាកនៃបញ្ហាដែលកើតមានឡើងដែរ ផ្ទុយទៅវិញគឺអ្នកទទួលកំហឹងវិញទេ ដែលជាអ្នកនាំមុខសម្របសម្រួលនៅកំហឹងទាំងនោះឲ្យឆ្ពោះទៅការដោះស្រាយដោយជោគជ័យឬក៏ធ្វើឲ្យទំនាស់កាន់តែស្មុគស្មាញថែមទៀត
I need to go over this with you. Look at the bills. Look at the bills. We got 7 credit cards, all that owe $16,000. You went to the Dunkin' Express, PetSmart, gasoline, this, that and the other. And then you go out and buy that. Look, all I've got in my wallet is $15, $14. How are we supposed to get over the week? I can't do it. We can't do it. You know what? You're an idiot.
What are the effective ways to manage your anger? Here are some helpful techniques to help you with managing your anger effectively. Stop arguing and start walking away from the scene. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Talk to someone or volunteer helping someone that is in need. Keep calm. Forgive and admit your mistake. Bring up the issue again with the good tone and discuss the matter with calmness. តើយើងគួរធ្វើបែបណាក្នុងការទប់ទល់នឹងកំហឹងឲ្យមានប្រសិទ្ធភាព ពេលណាយើងមានកំហឹងដោយសារចំនួនឬប្រការណាមួយ មធ្យោបាយដ៏ល្អគឺត្រូវឈប់ជាបន្ទាន់ហើយដើរចេញពីកន្លែងកើតហេតុភ្លាមធ្វើចលនាកាយវិការដោយដកដង្ហើមវែងទូរស័ព្ទដល់មិត្តភ័ក្តិហើយនិយាយលេងប្រកាន់ជាប់ភាពស្ងប់ស្ងៀមយកចិត្តទុកដាក់ពីគេបាននិយាយហ៊ានទទួលកំហុសហើយសុំទោសដែរ
I'll do everything that's possible to make it up to you and to make sure we communicate better and we work things out better without it getting to the point where we are so angry with each other that we're not communicating at all and we just getting madder and madder, crazier and crazier.
And maybe I'll help someone watch the kid. Maybe we can go out for a date once in a while. So maybe you like that?
I look forward
like that
to
idea.
That. I really like that idea. Yeah, we should do more of the dating just like we were when we first got married.
I know, I remember those days.
Those days were good.
Yeah, I know. So.
There is no winning when it comes to arguing between a husband and wife. No one can succeed if the couples look for a way to win during an argument. Another Cambodian saying described the situation as calm is God and quandary is evil. Again, the spouse who fights to win in a disagreement situation can only bring unhappiness, separation and divorce to the family. យើងបានដឹងហើយថាគ្មាននរណាមួយបានជ័យជំនះឬផលប្រយោជន៍ល្អពីការឆ្លោះប្រកែកនៃគូស្វាមីភរិយារបស់គ្រួសារខ្លួនឯងឡើយដោយពាក្យចាស់លោកថាចាញ់បានជាព្រះឈ្នះបានជាមារការយកឈ្នះចាញ់ពីចំនួនប្តីប្រពន្ធគ្រួសារយើងនឹងបាត់បង់សុភមង្គលល្អហើយនាំឲ្យមានការព្រាត់ប្រាសគ្រួសារនិងបំផ្លាញអនាគតល្អផងដែរ We want to thank you for your interest in learning how to manage your anger and improve your relationship with your spouse and family. We hope you find our marriage enrichment project helpful and educational. We want to wish you and yours a successful marriage and that you bring happiness and harmony to your family and others. Please look for our other marriage enrichment sessions for more great information to better you and your marriage relationship. Thank you. នាងខ្ញុំសូមគោរពជំរាបលាលោកស្រីព្រមទាំងទស្សនិកជនទាំងអស់ដែលបានយកចិត្តទុកដាក់ក្នុងកម្មវិធីទ្រទ្រង់គ្រូស្រករនិងគ្រួសារឲ្យមានសុភមង្គលល្អនៃសមាគមខ្មែរនៅទ្វីបអាមេរិកយើងនេះនាងខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាលោកស្រីមានសេចក្តីរីករាយនឹងទទួលយកព័ត៌មានដ៏មានខ្លឹមសារនេះហើយនាងខ្ញុំសូមជូនពរឲ្យបានចម្រើនលូតលាស់សុខសប្បាយក្នុងអាពាហ៍ពិពាហ៍និងគ្រួសារកុំបីឃ្លៀងឃ្លាតឡើយ
ស្រីបងអណាបង